Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are going to replace our struts for this bottom cover down here. We have a little cargo cover. If you guys have had your vehicle for a long time like we have, this probably gave up too. So if you lift this up, there's two shocks on each side. Sorry for the mess. We have a cargo container that normally sits in here, and we didn't realize the bottom was this dirty. We'll go ahead and vacuum it whenever I get this fixed. But this doesn't want to stay up anymore. You lift it up, there. You see how it wants to stay down? So if you push it, overextend it, it kind of stays a little bit. So I bought some new shocks on Amazon. These are not OEM. I found some aftermarket ones. They were kind of difficult to find, the OEM ones. So I bought some that were similar size. I measured it up and found a size that would fit. So we're just gonna pop these off and replace it with these aftermarket ones. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead, pry this like that. So there's a little pin right here, and you take your flathead and you press it in there. Same for the bottom. Let's see if you can. So you take the flathead, the edge of it, there. That's it. So what we're gonna do is take this and you press the body, the black part. Don't push the pin when you push it in. So I'm pushing the body, top and bottom, where the pin's that connected, like that. Then you go up to the top. Same thing. You take this and you press, like that. There we go. There, so it stays. Let's go ahead and replace this one too. We bought a pack of 2. It doesn't have the pretty sleeve right here, but I'm okay without it. We just need this to stay up when we lift it up. It always wants to fall on us. So here's another detailed look at it. All right, here's the pin. So I'm gonna put the edge of the flathead like that, and then just pry. Once you pry it like that, there. Pull the body away from the peg. Same on the bottom. Right here. Push it in that little groove. There. All right, take the new shock and we'll push the bottom in first like that. And top. This you can rotate, so I'm spinning it clockwise and then press it in. All right. So here's our new shocks. Perfect. So these are only 10 pounds, 10-pound shocks. So that's lifting up 20 pounds. And it seems like it's the perfect weight for this. There. Do you see how it's not too hard to close? It feels very factory too. And it's enough to lift it up by itself. Once you get it past a certain point. Once you get it, let's see. So that's about an inch opening. 3, 4, about 5 inches. It lifts up all the way for you. All right, well, I hope this helps. I'll add the link below on the listing I purchased it from on Amazon if you wanted to find the same exact shocks. But it's a cheap replacement and it works again.